Now, this is the perfect haircut for you guys who like to keep it stylish, but with minimal maintenance. Whether you like to experiment with products or just leave it in its natural state, this one's for you. Now in the studio, we had creative stylist Danny, who's also known as Toasty Styles. You might know her from Instagram. She can usually be found working her scissor magic down at Johnny's Chop Shop. But today, she's in Man From Himself HQ to show us what she can do with a trim and a tidy up. Now Robert's like a lot of us guys. He's got really thick hair on the sides, but on the top it is just starting to thin just ever so slightly. So he has tended to keep it long in the front. But as you'll see in this haircut and style, it's all about making the most of what he has. Now, after washing Robert's hair, Danny creates the base structure of the style by doing a traditional scissor cut. Then moving on to the top, Danny used a cutthroat razor to take some of the weight out of the hair. Now she really focused the razor right on the ends. Taking out some of the weight on the top really allows the hair to be more easily connected. So what type of hair do you have? And does your barber use any special techniques? Let us know in the comments below. She then used clippers on a grade 4 to work around her scissor work. Danny tapered the back from a 4 down to a 1, working down the back of the head to the nape of the neck. Now this created a really clean, smooth and gradual taper. It was then onto the detailers to tidy and sharpen up the sides. Then to finish the cut, Danny used foils to remove all the hair and stubble off the base of the neck. She also used detailers to clean up the beard line onto the cheeks. Moving into styling, and whilst the hair was still damp, Danny used PurpleYam's grooming cream, working it into the hair by scrunching it with her hands. She then dried the hair, pushing it back, and finished drying it by using a diffuser on the hairdryer. Now, a diffuser really helps to build volume into Robert's finer hair. She then went on to use Johnny's Chop Shop Sports Social to shape and define the hair. Now, this is a fiber product and will help to provide a flexible hold. And if you like hair, grooming, skin, and fragrance videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel right now. Go on, click it. To finish the look, Danny used a light hairspray focusing on the ends. Now this hairspray by Bumble and Bumble won't weigh down the hair, which will allow Robert to still move it around throughout the day. So there you go, Danny's created the perfect look for Robert, showing that a low maintenance cut doesn't mean a compromise in style. Now there are loads of cut and style videos already on Man From Himself, so click that info button top right and also make sure to subscribe right now and that bell notification button, pop it on so that you don't miss out. But until my next new video, bye bye.